Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. Today we have on offer this 1963 Austin Healey 3000 Mark II Bj7 Sports Convertible. It's finished in Colorado red over black, 4-speed overdrive, 60 spoke, I think they're 72 spoke chrome wire wheels, cloth tonneau cover. So really attractive car here. We purchased this car recently from its older gentleman restorer, and this has had a very nice full cosmetic body on restoration on a car that was pretty rust free with great mechanicals. So fresh paint, mostly new chrome, rubber interior, wood alloy wheel, new tire set, new exhaust, you know, quite a nice full cosmetic restoration on it. I've just driven the car, and I was running low on fuel, and the passenger door was popping open a little, so I just did it I just took a short test drive. It does need a little bit of adjustment and fine tuning on a few items, but you know, for the most part it's a good restoration, where it just needs, like I said, some of that, you know, tightening up and adjustments, and maybe the bumpers need floating properly, but you know, sort of easy stuff like that. But it does need to be just needs a going around, fastening and fixing a few things. But yeah, let's go panel by panel. So really good. A part of that is, you know, just getting the doors to fit, latch nicely. You can see here that the shut lines are great, but just needs some of that fine tuning. Couple weekends in the garage and you'll have a nice Healey, where a lot of money's been spent and a lot of effort on this really nice restoration here. So pretty good paint all the way around. I do see like a tiny little hairline crack in the paintwork there. It's pretty great paint though overall. So really good body and paint work on this car. A few little things like this, so that, you know, the chrome beading just needs to be just pushed in and secured a little bit better, and just knickknacks like that. This older gentleman did the best he could, but like I said, if you can just go around the car again and get a few adjustments made, it'd be quite the nice Healey. So 72 spoke chrome wires, they're very expensive. Nice fresh radial tires. The brakes I think were done on the car. Lots of new chrome. You can see all this bright work is fantastic and new. Windshield it's like a nice used, it is the original. I was gonna say it looks like an original. It's an original triplex. The bright work around the outside of it's pretty nice, but a used original good condition glass there. Let's take a look at the interior. So the car's interior, this was all completely redone along with the restoration. So fresh panel kit here. Dash has all been recovered nicely. MOTOLITA wood alloy wheel. Seats have been completely retrimmed. New door aluminum. All new black carpets. Fantastic picture there of the driver's position of the car. The car actually right now, it has a very nice high-end custom-made cloth, black cloth tonneau cover. The soft top frame assembly needs an easy restoration. I think he just removed that and put it back in the car. But as you can see here, it just needs to come apart and powder coated and tidied up and scrubbed and you know, recovering of the wood. And then it needs a black cloth top fitting to match the tonneau cover. So little tiny bit of work there that needs to be buttoned up. Good trunk lid fit. This has been fitted with a new kit, but as you can see, it just needs a little bit of gluing here, you know, just simple stuff. So, but you know, all the emblems are new. A lot of new parts on here. Brand new Taurus Trophy stainless exhaust system. You know, car's got great eyeball. You can look at our still photos. You know, the undercarriage is decent. It could probably use a little bit of further detailing underneath, but you know what he's put into the car and the very little that's left on it. Fantastic looking car here. Engine bay, you can see in the still photos, very nice and pretty nicely detailed engine compartment. New wiring harness has been fitted. So, you know, pretty major cosmetic restoration on the car, and needing very little just to make it a super driver here. And there it is, 1963 Austin Healey 3000 Mark II Bj7 sports convertible. It's finished in this Colorado red over black, two-tone, black interior, 4-speed overdrive transmission, MOTOLITA wood alloy wheel, 72 spoke chrome wires, black cloth tonneau cover, and needs just a few little knickknacks here to make it a really lovely finished car. And it's for sale on our website, www.kurttannermotorcars.com. Sorry about that, that truck went by, but yeah, www.kurttannermotorcars.com. Very good value here, lots of time and money invested, and very little here to finish it up.